Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to download offline maps in Windows 10. Search for maps in the Windows 10 search bar. Open the Maps app. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Click on Choose Map under Offline Map section. Offline Map setting page will open. First, select the storage location by clicking on the drop-down menu. If you are on a metered connection, turn on the checkbox to avoid data charges. You may turn on automatic updates if you wish. Now, click on Download Maps button. Choose a region and select the map you want to download. Offline maps will be downloaded to your preferred location. This is how you can download offline maps in Windows 10.